everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you a scrapbook haul. First thing you're going to notice, I don't have my splint on. She wants me to go a lot more of the day without it on. So I had it on for a little bit because I went to like physio this morning, or occupational therapy, and she worked it out good. So I was in a lot of pain. As you can tell, like, I can't really make a fist yet, but it's getting better. I can put my hand this way. I can't do this way. So that's what I got to work on. And I can't flip my hand either. Like, I can't do that. So that's what I got to work on. When I say I have a long ways to go, this is how much I have to go. Literally 90%. I cannot turn this at all. But, you know, I go to physio twice a week. So, and I do exercises 4 to 8 times a day. Every time I sit down, I kind of work my fingers and, you know, try to make it so that it works a little bit more. Like just doing this from my thumb to my pinky, I couldn't do that a week ago. So it's starting. But this is exciting. I thought I'd show you, there's a scrapbooking store that opened local to me. But if you're in my area, maybe you can check this out. They offer a kit every month. And I thought that, you know, they keep talking about supporting locally and all this stuff. And they opened in the midst of everything that's going on. So this is the name of it. It's called the Nick Nook. And it's in Moncton, where I am. But it's the Nick Nook. I can't see. The nicknook.ca. So if you're close to the area and you'd like, you know, some scrapbooking kits every month, you can get it delivered right to your house, or you can pick it up. And I was there this morning and they have a nice little store. So, oh, this is awesome. But I just, before I did this, I just did 20 minutes on the on my bike. So maybe I'll use it as a reward later on today. Okay, so here it is, the Nick Nook. Okay, so every month it's going to be, it's like one collection, and this month it's the Simple Stories Sweet Talk, which is for, you know, Valentine's Day. So let's start here. There's the washi tape. I really like the little flowers here. I like the hearts too, super cute. And that's all like little chocolates. And then there's their journaling bits Sweet Talk. I'm not going to open them all and go through all of them. I'll just flip it to the back like this and you can see there's that. Then there's Bits and Pieces Sweet Talk. Awesome. And then there's Enamel Dots. Now I'm going to cut these apart and I'm going to divide them by color like I normally do. Then there's even a stencil with the little hearts. That's cute. And then there's some foam stickers. There's 55 stickers. Now, if you're wondering, I think it was $35 plus tax. And then I didn't choose to get it delivered. I went to pick it up. So I think it ended up being $40. So these are from Basil. Oh, look at that pink. It's kind, I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of has a shimmer. So there's a dark pink, a light pink, a vanilla, and an aqua. So that's cute. Then you have a sticker sheet. Adorable. Now, even though this is Valentine's, that's okay. I mean, you can use hearts on any page. Really, there's nothing on there that says Valentine's, unless it actually says Valentine's Day. Yeah, hey there, Valentine. But I mean, you could just cut this off and say, hey there, you know, and then just use this. Here it says Happy Valentine's Day. You could just use it as color. So, you know, there might be a couple that you know, if you don't do a Valentine's Day page, that you won't be able to use. But apart from that, it's pretty much, you know, I use hearts all year long. That's cute. It's a little busy, so I probably cut it down, but I really like this side. So I'll probably, I might cut like a part of that and then reconstruct it and then just use part of that. So that's all from the same collection. So every month it's one collection they choose, and you get everything, you know, quite a bit of stuff from that collection. So then there's these flowers here and a bunch of little hearts. Then those, oh, those little hearts that have like little words on them. That's cute. Or like this side. See, there's always a side that's kind of busy, but you can maybe use a little piece of it. But then I like this side. This is all full of chocolates, and this is polka dots. So chances are, if I use this side, it's just going to be a little bit, or maybe even cut out the chocolates. But this side I'll probably use. This is kind of cutesy, but I can use this side, yeah. You know, not the whole sheet, but I can definitely use a strip of it. So I like that. Some Scrabble words. See, I like this side. I probably use this side. Or if I use this, I'll probably cut the word out. And then these, I like these because you can get so much on a layout. And I particularly don't like this side. So I'll probably cut those and try to use as many as I can, and then just maybe use this as a little layer. Ooh, I like this. It's all tags. I like that. Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to be using this side. I like those. Super nice. Okay. Then this 4x4 cards. And then little envelopes. I'll probably be using most of these. And again, if I don't like what's in the middle, I can just use it and then put something over top, use it as a mat or whatever the case may be. And then some 3x4 cards. I like that. So I'll probably use a combination of both. I really like this one. I'll probably use a combination of both on this one. And then these ones are 4x6 cards. I like that one. That's okay. I don't like the combination of color, but I like this. I like this. And again, I could cover this and use this. I like this. So there's quite a bit on here that I could use. I like this too. Love you, whole sloth. Okay, so that's everything that was in the store or in my kit. Now they do have like a brick and mortar store, so you can go in and choose some stuff. And where I did choose to go in, I ended up grabbing a couple more things. I got this, the Simple Stories chipboard frames. I got this, decorative brads. This is from the Simple Stories apron strings. I got most of that collection. Then from Wild Whisper, I got Play in the Dirt. I just liked all the flowers and stuff. And then from Wild Whisper, I got some One More Chapter. These are 4x6 and 3x4 cards. And then I got the ephemera pack. And then I got from the apron strings, Simple Stories, the bits and pieces. I'll bring it up so you can see. And then I got the journaling bits from the apron strings. And then I got the 12x12 collection, which has 82 pieces. I hardly order at any time at all now online, and I won't be going to Crop and Create this year because there won't be any. So I decided to get a few things and subscribe to the monthly kit. And this is the Wild Whisper One More Chapter. I just, you know me and reading. And then I got a stamp set just because it had books on it. And it's from Wild Whisper, sorry. And that's it. I got my kit, and then when I went to pick it up, I grabbed a few more things. So if you're interested, if you're in the area and you're interested, here's their information. It's the nicknook.ca, I think. I think that's what it was, nicknook.ca, the nicknook.ca, and let them know that I sent you. So that's it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up. Oh, this one's a little harder. A thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.